5 seconds to go. Start. It is seen from there that the marketable surplus of the marginal farmers is directly linked to the rates to be given for their products. We see here that whenever the Agricultural Prices Commission advises the government to fix the prices, the economists say that it will create inflation and that there will be transfer of resources from the urban to the rural population and so on. I do not know what actually it means, but the difficulty is that they are not giving proper prices to the farmers for their products. For that purpose, if the marketable surplus is to be taken from farmers, then care has to be taken, particularly with regard to the distribution of land, whether it is in Delhi or anywhere else in this country, so that proper relationship is maintained whereby marketable surplus is made available. Now, I do not want to go into the question of small farmers and large farmers. My honorable friend on the other side has given out his own views, but very recently we have seen some Russian experts expressing the opinion that small farms are not productive to the extent desired and that they require a different type of services to see that the small farms are productive in our country. But in Japan, we see that the small farms are productive. Somebody talked about tractor prices. We see that the prices of fertilizers, oil, and so many other inputs have increased to such an extent that to the farmer who is going to get such land out of this surplus land to the cultivate it and make it an economic and viable unit requires some efforts for giving him incentive prices. Para. In this connection, I want to refer to other agencies, small farmers and medium farmers societies. Now the scheme of rural banks, the effort of the nationalized banks and cooperative banks are there. With all these, still the problem is so much that mere distribution of land will not be the solution for keeping rural indebtedness under control. For that purpose, I think more risk oriented capital has to be put in. Subsidy on agricultural inputs, incentives on mechanization scheme have to be given at such level whereby the marginal farmer or the small farmer will be induced to produce more. It is my experience that in metropolitan cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, and Chennai, you have now enacted laws for small farmers and created distribution agencies for the available surplus land, but no steps are taken for Benami land held by professionals like doctors and lawyers. Stop.